see anyone out there yet.
Oh, there's some.
Yeah, you can't do anything outside of this.
Yeah, they're all coming back.
It's probably too windy to board. On the top of the mountain, it would be a mess.
And you paid $160 to do it. Plus gear if they rented.
Well, you know, we're probably gonna see a lot of people up there. No one would come back here because this is basically, there's no boarding here. They come back when they've had enough. Shame we couldn't make. Maybe the main will be open tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll see. It's still just the beginning of the blizzard.
Yeah. That's old ass tree.
Some big trees. How do they know these things won't snap?
They're engineers. They've been designed to like weather storms.
Wow.
Got a nice little swing action going on there.
Yeah.
We got some nice padding down there. These trees are extremely old. Holy shit.
Yeah, they're giant. Like,
Wow, look how big that is.
they go over the gondola.
Yeah, I've never been in a forest ski resort that has trees this old.
Yeah. No, I don't think I have either.
Oh my god!
What?
There's a fire.
Where? What are you talking about?
You see smoke coming from the room.
I don't